In this lecture, we will learn data flow architecture. In data flow architecture, the whole software system is seen as a series of transformation on consecutive pieces or set of input data, where data and operation are independent of each other. In this approach, the data enters into the system and then flows through the models one at a time until they are assigned to some final destination, output, or data store. The connection between the components or models may be implemented as input-output stream, input-output buffers, piped, or other types of connection. The data can be flown in the graph topology with cycles, in a linear structure without cycles, or in a tree-type structure. The main objective of this approach is to achieve the qualities of reuse and modifiability. It is suitable for applications that involve a well-defined series of independent data transformation or computations on orderly defined input and output such as compilers and business data processing applications.